Hi, and welcome to another how-to video of Swift.ng Cloud ERP. Today we are going to be looking at the CRM module, particularly the leads management part of it. So the aim behind this module is to help businesses that have a marketing team or a sales team and they want to be able to track their marketers and know where they are with each of the leads. That's also to help them follow up on those potential customers too. And we've seen time and time again where many businesses lose track of their leads, and sometimes the marketers leave the company and go with the leads. So this is a module that helps them to real time keep or enter records of the potential clients they're speaking with while they are right on the field there or in the office, while the supervisor sees what they're doing in real time. Now, this has a sales funnel where you can create the various steps that are required to close the sale. So that's supposed to be planned by your marketing team, and then once the lead is created, you're able to place that lead in the step that the lead belongs to, and you move him or her up and down the funnel till you close that sale. So that's how that's going to work. And this is going to be a two-part series. In the first part, I'll be showing you how to create the leads funnel, and then we'll be creating at least a lead, and we'll show you how to move the lead up and down the funnel. In the second part, we'll go further into how to use the call memo part of the software, so you're able to keep track of your phone calls, text messages, and all your communication with the potential clients. And that also applies to customers also. So let's get started. I'm going to log into my account and let's see. So if your Swift setup is done to support multiple branches, you're going to have to click the specific branch to log into. If you're not, it takes you right in. So I'm going to go to the CRM module and then click leads. Now, Swift already comes with a couple of okay, let me use another branch that has nothing so that we'll see how it looks when you're setting it up for the first time. So I'm going to just switch to another branch now, and you can see we have 4 steps in the sales funnel when I click leads. Now that's what Swift does for you by default, and you're expected to just update it. So to update that, we'll click lead step setup, and you see the steps here. I'm going to just edit them to fit what our business does. So let's assume that it's a 4-step process. Let's say the first is the first contact. The second is a presentation. The third step is possibly a demo, and the fourth step would say issue an invoice. So if those are 4 steps, let's just get started. I'm going to click edit, that's this icon here, and put first contact. So the second I said is going to be, I say presentation. The third step will be, okay, let's say issue an invoice. And the fourth step would be customer makes payment. Okay, so we have 4 steps now. We can now actually get back to the leads page and start creating our leads. So you can see that it's already arranged everything. You can search by all leads that are in all the steps or the specific step. You can search the name of a lead here and all that. So to create a new lead, I'm going to click create new lead. So I'll just put in a name, Peter Amana, Lagos, Nigeria. I will encourage you to put in the full address so that for the purpose of this demo, I'm just trying to just do this very fast. So we have peter@yahoo.com, and there are many other details here. You have leads categories that you can set up, enrolled by, which staff did that, acquisition method, and we can choose which step. So let's assume it's the first step and I click create. So am I sure? Yes. So it takes us to the page, and you can see that this lead has already been entered here. So that this lead was entered today. And a few things I'd like to show you in the dashboard of this client now, of this lead. So one, I can update this step, like move him to another step. I just click that and show you how that works. I'm not going to move him currently, right? So I can move him to presentation, or the next step. So let's just go back and see the other things like this. You can see phone calls. We've never made a phone call to this lead. We've never sent a text message. We've never sent an email. We've never done a physical visit. We've done no transactions whatsoever, and we've not contacted this person in a while. I can also do this to click to send a text message to this lead. I can create an invoice, edit the details, delete the record, and you can see moving up and down this funnel. So that's just how the leads management aspect of this software works. So like I said, let's assume you want to send me a text message. Now I just click that and just type message. If it's an email, I'll need to put the subject before I send. Now that's always determined by your settings, by your default settings, whether it's SMS or email. That's the default for sending messages on Swift. Swift helps you do all those things. So I've just shown you how to create your leads funnel or the lead steps. I also created a lead, and like I said, we can move the lead up and down the funnel. And in the next video, I'm going to show you, for instance, how, so you can see we've moved them in. The next video, I'm going to show you, for instance, how to record your communications with the lead so that you see that all these icons here are properly updated. So that's all for now. Thank you.